Hello viewers, welcome to BrilliantIT. Today's video is how to repair old document in MS Word. So first of all I go to the MS Word, then I go to the insert menu, then I select picture. Okay, so select picture, I select one of the old document which I want to repair. Okay, then insert. Okay, after insert you have to do something. You click in insert menu, we click the picture first, then go to the text warping. Okay, text warping, then which you want to select in front of text. Okay, in front of text, then you adjust the picture, adjust the picture or document. Okay, okay, that's all fine. So now I repair this document. So how to do it? First of all, you go to the format cell. You have to go to the format cell, then you go to the recolor. In 2007 you go to the recolor. Okay, in a recolor you see there is so many option over there. There is so many option over there. So many option over there. Okay, so many option there, but we have to select one of the this one. We have to click this one, not this one, this one. Okay, you have to click this one. So now document is very much okay. So after that you go to the click the document again, then go to the format cell, then brightness. You have to adjust the brightness as well. Okay, we have to adjust the brightness as well. So adjust the brightness. So after that there is some thing over there, this one. So you have to cut this one. You have to cut this one. Okay, how to do it? You go to the insert menu, then go to the shape option. Go to the shape option, then you select the rectangle. Okay, you have to say select the rectangle one. Rectangle, then select this one, and your background color always white. Your background shape color is always white. You select the white, then copy this one, copy the shape again, then sorry, there is one more. You have to first of all you select the shape, then go to the select the shape, then go to the format one, then shape color is white, and shape outline. Okay, outline means this border color also white. You have to select the border color also white. Okay, then copy this box and paste it. Okay, then take it this one from here, then you have to adjust this one, adjust the shape from here. Okay, so you do not see anything. So copy again, copy the shape again, then paste the shape again. Okay, paste the shape again, then you take this from here to here. You see, you have to do this like that. In Photoshop it is easy, but MS Word you have to do something else first, then you do it like that. Okay, so again copy this one, then paste, then take it from here. See, all black shadow is gone at the moment. All black shadow is gone at the moment. All shadow is gone. Okay, so this document is very much alright at the moment. So you have to do this method. After that you go to the home button, then save as, then you select the PDF. You select the PDF. Okay, then go to the desktop one, then save the document. Okay, any name you have to save any name. This one is CV. Okay, then publish. It takes a few seconds. After that you have to check the PDF file. See, PDF file is very much alright. So you have to repair the old document like this. So thank you very much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.